Alright, so we are back with another clipper cut video. You can see I've got a guard on my clippers. Now, this is the third to shortest guard, and basically we're going to leave it a little bit longer on the sides and back than we have in the past. Normally we take it down nice and tight. We're still going to take it down nice and tight, but there's going to be a little bit more hair on the sides and back this time. So, I'm just basically taking the clippers and working my way up the head and scooping out as I get up there to where the head starts to kind of round up to the top. And by scooping out, you are less likely to put in a hard line, which makes it easier to fade out and blend in from the sides to the top. Now, if you did put a hard line, it's not the end of the world. You could just always scissor over, comb that out. You could also take clippers and put a shorter guard on, but just to keep the work easy from the get-go, I usually like to come up and just flick out. You can see me doing it right there, and I'm going to work my way all around the head. Alright, so you can see I don't have the clippers in my hand anymore. I've got the trimmers. The trimmers take the hair a little bit tighter than the clippers do. And what I'm doing is I'm just using the trimmers to work my way around the hairline, around the sideburn, around the ear, around the neck. Just takes the hair nice and tight and cleans it up. Basically, anywhere where you don't want hair, I'm just going to bald out that hair using the trimmers. Alright, so now what I'm doing is I'm taking the hair through my fingers right there at the upper section of the sides to blend where we scooped out with the clippers to the top. So you can see right there, I'm just going through, removing that little bit of hair right there so that it's going to blend nice and clean with the top section of the haircut. Alright, so now what I'm doing is I've got the barbering comb. You can see it's a really fine tooth comb. And I'm just going through and blending, fading out that hard line in the neck that we created when we used the clippers to basically bald out all of the neck hair. So I don't really love the hard line in outlines, so I like to go through and just soften that line. You can see it's more of a blended look versus a hard line look. Alright, so we've come to the end of this haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that thumbs up. Any questions or comments, don't forget to put them down in that comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And as always, I want to thank you guys so very much again for watching.